Hi, this is Mel. Today I'm going to do a little bit of grocery haul. So I got 2 of this crispy rice cereal, and I got 2 of this onion, and a salt, 2 garlic, and I got these eggplant, about 8 of them. So I got 4 here, 4 in another package. I got a big pack of lemon and mandarins, and then I got some Florida oranges and 2 big bag of potatoes. So I have here some frozen vegetables, mixed vegetables, 2-pack, and I got frozen spinach, 4 packs, because there were no real spinach, fresh ones. I had to get frozen. And then I have 2 packages of sweet potatoes and 2 packages of cilantro leaves, and I got a butternut squash, and this really tastes awesome. I cooked one of them today. It's just like pumpkin, but tastes really good. Got some ginger and got lots of cabbages, and have some frozen broccoli florets, and have some green beans chopped up. So that's about it for my this week. So I'm gonna be seeing you with many more videos. Thank you so much. Have a great evening. Bye bye.